What's up, y'all? It's AJ Simmons, the cleaning business GOAT and founder of the Clean Biz Network. And today, I want to tell you how you can easily get way more leads with this simple lead magnet trick. Check this out.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
Alright, so not too long ago, I just showed y'all about a great lead magnet, which was this right here. If you look at my screen at the bottom right, you can see it's a little chat box, right? And how you should add that to your website, because a chat box is an easy way to connect phone numbers, emails, and contact information, right? Well, there's another way and an even better way. And this way, you actually can run ads straight to it because it's a direct lead magnet, y'all. So this trick that I'm going to show you right here is simply this. Book an instant quote. So if you don't have an instant book and quote form on your website, you're definitely missing out, because again, a lot of people do not want to talk to you. A lot of people don't want you coming by their house for a quote. A lot of people don't even, just won't want to do anything. They don't even want to chat right there, right? So one thing that you can do is you can say, you know what? Just tell me basic information and we'll give you a quote instantly right on the spot, all right? And so you guys know I built the app already, Clean Biz Network, as well as Calculated Cleaning. Got two apps that have bidding calculators on them. And I was like, you know what? Why don't we build a calculator that can be customer facing, that you can put on your website and let the customers get a quote for their cleaning. All right. Now, obviously, this is going to vary. The price will vary from state to state, location to location. But the point here is just to get a customer some type of number so that way they can be a lead for you. Right. So what's going to happen is if they click this book, get an instant quote right here button. And then once they click that button, you'll see the form will pop up with our instant price quote buddy. And all they'll need to do is just simply enter their basic information, right? So we'll just put in some basic information here. Put a random address. And then we'll put 904-490-1118. That'll be your customer's contact information. Put their email address. And then all they're going to need to do is put in their square footage of their home. So let's just say they got a 2,500 square foot home. Let's say it has 4 bedrooms. 3 baths, and then if they want, they can upload pictures, but it's not mandatory in order for us to get this quote here. Also, notice how it does say right here to view my price quote if they click that button, but it also says click here. Your price will be displayed instantly, so the person is aware there's going to be an instant quote. But in order for them to see the price, first off, they have to click the button. And the reason why they have to click the button is because we want them to be a lead in our back end inside of our CRM, right? So we don't want them to just enter this information and get a free price quote for free. Not to mention a lot of your competition, once they figure out you have this, they may try to come to your website and see what your prices are, right? So that's why we don't want them to actually be able to view it until they actually submit that information, all right? That way you can call them right after or text them or whatever you need to do. Also, it does note here, too, that the price provided is only an estimate and is subject to change after a representative from our company reviews more details about your home. All right, so we want to make sure that they know that this is just a quote. It's just an estimate, and we're just trying to get them in the door. So likely, a lot of times, this price might even be lower than what you're actually going to charge them, but we just want to give them a number because we want them to be a lead for us, all right? So once they click that button, there's going to be a message that pops up like this, and you can see it actually says, "Hi AJ," which, by the way, the form is automatically geared to say their name back to them. So whatever they type in as their name is going to say that instead of my name, and then it's going to say, "Hi AJ, the price to clean your home would only be," and then whatever the price came up based on the information that they entered, and there you go. So it's an instant price quote, and then it says, "Let's get your cleaning scheduled." Then if they click right here, you'll see it actually takes them to an actual booking form, right, that we build again custom just for you guys, and so they can book their custom cleaning schedule. Now notice you might say, "Oh, wait a minute, the price said 200 and something on the other page, but this says 150." Well, what happens is once they click this, they book it. You'll notice right here in the details it says there is a $150 refundable, or you can put non-refundable. It's up to you. Just 100% editable, right? But you can there's a 100%. There is a $150 refundable deposit to book your services. The remaining balance will be charged to your method of payment after successful completion of service. So what this does is it ensures that people aren't just wasting your time booking, waste of time bookings or as fake leads or anything like that. They actually have to pay up front, at least a deposit. And the good thing about that deposit is usually you want to price that at least enough to cover the pay for your people, and then you get the remaining balance, which actually be your profit after the service. And so, or you can make it higher, you can make it lower. This is also adjustable as well. So very easy fix, very easy tool that you can use to get leads coming in nonstop. And so what I would probably do is I would just run Google ads as well as Facebook and Instagram, etc. But social media ads and Google ads directly to this particular website right here, so straight to your landing page, and just have people say, hey, want to get a free instant quote for home cleaning? It's not, maybe put some fancy wording in there, say, hey, house cleaning is not that expensive, get a price quote today, da 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 da, right? But you basically want to get them motivated to come get an actual price quote from you. All right, so if you're interested in having a pre-built website like this, simple for you, and you can just go back and edit it however you want, then make sure you come join us at Clean Biz Network. Now, I will say, this particular price quoting tool will only be available to Clean Business Automation members. So we have regular Clean Biz Network members, and then we have Clean Business Automation members, all right? So if you want to join us, just go to www.cleanbiznetwork.com/automation, and you can become an automation member there, or you can just go to www.cleanbiznetwork.com and join us, and you'll see the option to become an automation member or a basic member, all right? Because the basic members do not get the instant quote forms on their website, but they are able to build unlimited websites. But anyway, to learn more about this, just leave a comment below. I can help you there, or visit cleanbiznetwork.com, and we got you. We got people on standby to answer your questions. So thank you so much for watching. I'm AJ Simmons. Hopefully this was able to help you. Talk to y'all soon. Are you looking to start your own cleaning company? Or maybe you started your cleaning company, but you just need a support group, some mentorship, some guidance. Hell, a bidding calculator just to help you know if you're pricing the job correctly. Join us at cleanbiznetwork.app. That's www.cleanbiznetwork.app today and get on the right track with your cleaning company. We have everything you could possibly need to get you going in the right direction, and see why we've been the leading cleaning business consulting company for the past 5 years, and why they call me, AJ Simmons, the cleaning business GOAT. So I can help you just like I've helped, and my company has helped thousands of other people start and grow their cleaning companies. Go to the #1 source today, www.cleanbiznetwork.app. Thank you.